what if you want to make this to look like a report? So for instance, what I'm going to do is I am going to combine a data, let's say if I were to put here zone and I type here north. If I wanted to use this as a reference, how you collaborate functions, other functions with conditional formatting. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to home, go to conditional formatting. See this? Equal to, and I click at that north. See what happened? See that? All the nodes are selected. When I press OK, so when I go here and change this one to south, for instance, it changes automatically. Same goes to east and also to west, sorry. But how do I apply it to the rest of the rows here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this first. Clear rows, selected. I am going to select this area, like so. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to select conditional formatting, and now I select new row. Under new row, I'm going to select use a formula to determine which cells to format. I hope your basic formula skills is up to par. I hope you know what that $sign means in formulas, because it is very useful when you want to apply this example. So I'm going to select if this one, say I'm selling $I, $3 equal to, select the first cell right after the title, like so. So I'm going to select format, and I'm going to select fill, and select any color you want. For instance, if I have to select this blue, and I press OK. And as you can see, nothing happens. But when I change this one to west, like so, it changes color. But that is not the kind of result that we want. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to remove this and do that again. New row. Select this cell, equals to, select the first cell right after the title. But now I'm removing the $sign for the row. When I select the same blue color, when I press OK and OK again, voila. See that? It selects all the west, one whole line. It goes across few columns. Same goes when I change this one to east, and I change this one to north and south. If you feel that I'm going too fast, you can just raise your hand or slow down a little bit. Yeah? So I would like to upgrade this further. So what I'm going to do, instead of typing north, south, east, and west, I am going to collaborate this with another function. So what I'm going to do here is, from this cell, in I3, I'm going to go to data. See this? This is called data validation. I select data validation. At settings, I go to allow and select lists. And in the source, I type north, comma, south, comma, east, comma, west. So when I press OK, see this drop down button? So instead of typing, you can just select.